going on, guys? First of all, guys, this is Oso right here, my new dog. Say what's good, Oso. He's kind of nervous, as you guys can see. I'll get you off. You guys saw by the title, we bought a iPhone first generation. This is exciting for me because, as you guys know, I love technology, I love iPhone. And I think this is the best way to like just keep this as like a kind of like a memorable kind of thing that it all started from this first generation iPhone. Like this first generation iPhone pretty much changed the technology and everything when it first came out. Like everything changed when this came out. Like it changed so many things. Technology is improving every single day just because of this first generation iPhone that released like 11, 12 years ago, something like that. So it is used, so it's not like a brand new iPhone first generation because those are going for an insane amount of money. So I'm not gonna do that just because I don't have that much money to spend on an iPhone first generation. Mine was actually a really good deal. I got it for $160, I believe. It was $150 plus $10 for shipping, so $160. I can do that math. And yeah, so I think this is a pretty good deal. The phone is in pretty good condition from the pictures that I saw on the eBay posting. So I'm very excited to be unboxing this and looking, like having the first generation iPhone in my hand. I've never held a first generation iPhone ever before in my entire freaking life. And you'd think I would because I've owned pretty much every single iPhone that you can have on Verizon. Also, I was really young when the first generation iPhone came out, so probably wouldn't even be able to buy the iPhone back then anyway. We're gonna go pick it up from the mail. Hopefully this isn't a scam and hopefully nothing's wrong with it. He said it does turn on. The device does turn on. That was in the description, so hopefully he's telling the truth with that. And yeah, guys, it's 10 o'clock right now and I'm making a vid. I'm on that freaking grind right now. This is my kitchen table. I actually like this lighting. It's 10 o'clock right now. Like, this is great lighting. So I'm probably gonna record videos here a lot more because it just like, it seems pretty good for me. Like, it seems good. The audio quality is gonna be garbage in here, but this is our, I don't know if I should be showing this to be honest, but this is where we pick up our packages in our apartment. I can literally pick up anybody's package and just walk away with it. So it's kind of on the honor system, and now I have to find my freaking package. I've been looking for like 25 minutes, but here is the package right here. Alright guys, we got it. Okay, now we're gonna see if we got scammed or not. If I cut my arm off on video, that'd be kind of fire to be honest. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm gonna cut something of my body parts, one of my body parts. Here we go guys. Oh. Why would this guy use packing peanuts, dude? Get out of here with those. Here it is, guys. The original iPhone. That's insane. Okay. Here we go. This is literally my first. Look how big this box is. One second. This is a normal iPhone 11 box, and this is the iPhone first generation box. Like, look how thick that box is, dude. First of all. All right, here we go. First time ever seeing an iPhone first generation. Hopefully it's not like a piece of bread or something in here because it's very light, so. The box is like 10 years old, so I could see why it would be beat up. So here it is. Please be real. Oh my. Okay, this is insane. I've never held anything like this before. Let's see if it boots up. Highly doubt it. No. Okay, I'm gonna go charge this 1 second. So I've been charging this phone for about approximately 30 minutes to an hour, and all it really does is does the Apple logo right there, and then eventually it'll just turn off. So I'm looking at the viewfinder because I can't see if the screen's gonna turn off. I just want to show you guys what happens. And then it just turns off like that. I've tried 2 different chargers. It still doesn't seem to be working. So, and in the description it says power's on. So if I can't get this thing to power on, I'm gonna have to do a refund and get a return going. And then I have to get and deal with all that. And then I'm gonna have to return this. And then it's just a whole big mess that I do not want to deal with at all. But anyways, there is the phone that doesn't turn on, which I'm very mad about. And he said that there's also, so there's no other accessories in here. It just comes with the instructions, and that's pretty much it. Not even the stickers or anything like that. No cable, literally just the instructions and how to use it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm sorry. I wish this device did turn on and did work. I'm going to be charging this overnight and see if I can, well, maybe not overnight, but I'm going to be charging it a little bit longer, see if it turns on. I mean, it's been plugged in for over an hour probably total, so if it was working, it should definitely be turning on by now. So probably we'll have to return this, which is very inconvenient, and it sucks because now I don't have a first generation iPhone. I'm going to have to return it. And I'm not going to be able to have it. I won't have it anymore. Hopefully I can find one on eBay, another one on eBay that will actually turn on. Wish me luck on this eBay return because eBay returns are very, very annoying. Hopefully I could just get it to power on because that would be the best solution, is just if I could just get it to power on, everything's good to go. But yeah, it kind of just does an Apple logo for a couple seconds and then it just turns off. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated on my Instagram and my Snapchat if you guys want to stay updated with that, or if you want to follow me on any of those social medias. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I was super hyped to get this, but now it doesn't even turn on, so I'm kind of pissed about it. But there it is, guys, the iPhone first generation unboxing. I know this thing has been used. It's not a brand new iPhone first generation unboxing, like a very fresh brand new one, but I don't know, at least I was able to hold one for a couple of minutes because I'm gonna have to probably return this. And thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's a very, very short video, but I just wanted to make a video about that because this is, Apple is a very, very important and very just great company that I love very much. So I'm glad I was able to hold the first generation of something that was huge, as something that changed the technology as we know it and just made technology in the world advance in a great fashion. Thank you guys. I was gonna say episodes. Should I call these things episodes now? I don't even know. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. Always help the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Do you have anything to say, Oso? Do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say for the video? Say your words. Nothing?